Aussie adventure. I bought a picture of a sad seal, beautiful landscapes, a picture of a sad dog, Clyde a crocodile, funny looking birds and so much more. After spending 2 months in Brisbane where I was working and taking a break from travelling, I took the train up to Cairns with the plan to cycle back down the east coast of Australia. And so I began pedaling the first meters in Australia out of Cairns City. And you know what the region is famous for? Crocodiles. And so it should not take long until I saw one myself. So I was just approached by an Australian lady and she mentioned that there are some crocs chilling at a river close to where I am. So I'm currently doing a detour going back to where I came from to try if I can find them. Okay, I'm almost there at the bridge. Yep, there's one. And there it was. I did not get closer than this, but something else did.
Sunshine on his back, eyes like cryptic crystals, never cuts no slack. Oh Clyde, I'ma send you light beneath the Aussie sky.
The most time I was bound to the only connecting highway on the east coast, which was fine, but sometimes it could get a little bit stressful. That is why I try to venture off to the side roads whenever possible. To the side roads. Every country has their main crop, and in case of Australia, for me right now, it's sugarcane and banana plantations. The introduction of sugarcane dates back to the 1860s, and up to this day remains the cornerstone of the region's economy and culture. Small trains, called cane trains, are an important piece of infrastructure for the nowadays highly mechanized farming process. The tracks run along almost all fields, as you can also see here on my navigation app in Komoot. Next to the trains, trucks are also used to carry the sugarcane to the sugar mill, where the sugar is further processed and refined.
We're meant to be walking free in harmony. One fine day we'll fly away. Don't you know that Rome wasn't built in a day? Hey, hey, hey. And this day and age is so easy to stress. 'Cause people are strange.
The sugar mill. Protect the sugarcane crops from beetles and other insects, tods were released, and maybe we can see one here, but I think it's too hot for them right now.
Bob Catter wants kids to shoot them, but while our politicians debate the conundrum that is the cane toad, this Queensland scientist may have found the solution.
Sometimes the best ideas are the simplest ones.
The cane toad was introduced into Australia in 1935 with the aim of controlling beetles impacting sugarcane crops. Problem was, the toads couldn't jump to reach the beetles. At first, 102 of them were brought down under. Within weeks, there were thousands. And they clearly liked it here ever since on the march north, south and west. It's now estimated there's 200 million of the pests across the country.
Ich komm halb vor Hunger Theo macht mir ein Bananenbrot. Egal, ob sie gerade ist oder krumm. Theo macht mir ein
Here you can see a banana plantation, and behind the backs are the banana Stauden, as we call it in German.
nicht mehr lang ertragen. Theo macht mir ein Bananenbrot. Lieber Theo.
would be a YouTube video about Australia's East Coast without Modern Point Winery, Germantown, crash cars on the side of the road? Nah, beaches, of course.
People living their lives for you on TV. They say they're better than you, and you agree. He says, hold my calls from behind those cold brick walls. Says, come here, boy, there ain't nothing for free. Another doctor's bill, a lawyer's bill, another cute cheap thrill. You know you love him if you put him in your will, but who will save your soul when it comes to the flowers now? Oh, save your soul.
Enough with the beaches. But let me tell you about something which is way more interesting and rarely someone talks about it. Let me introduce you to the marvels of the things you can find along the side of the road in Australia. Usually there's only trash next to the road. In Australia there's trash and a beer stubby cooler, roll of tape I used to fix my tent pole with, Fisker's hand saw used, straps, cords, more straps. I find a lot of things on the side of the road, but this one is the saddest so far. Now it's starting to get strange.
Tears are filling up their glasses. No expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kind of funny.
When I saw this, I was sure of getting close to the goal of finding the famous and mysterious Cassowary bird. I found one of them with the baby.